Hey guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Quick video walkthrough on the Sea Ray year model 2022 model 190 SLX. Got anchor storage here. Cushions are in good shape. There's a few blemishes, like on the corner of that one. Really, that's only place. Got the vinyl flooring, flip-up bolsters, sea deck on the back. Got some cushions in good shape. Cooler underneath here. I've got a little nick right here. Bim top, flag on it. Tear in the bim top right there. Everywhere else looks good. Strolling down to the helm, we got a flip steering wheel, a Fusion stereo, controls, Simrad display, 175 hours of use. You got large index storage here, and then this aft cushion lifts up, tow pylon, Mercury 150, ton of storage in here. A lot of people will throw beach chairs, that kind of stuff in there. Show you the sea deck coming around the swim platform. Got a couple nicks in it. It's all here, it looks good there. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.